Hello Steamy Kitchen family! Today we are so excited to be talking about Benissimo infused cooking oils that have quickly become a staple in our kitchen since using them. As you know, Steamy Kitchen has a philosophy of using really simple ingredients and elevating them with a simple sauce or dressing, and these oils do just that. With their incredible versatility and great flavor combinations, the recipe options are endless. And today we are going to be making a sheet pan veggie dinner. This is something I like to make multiple times throughout the week with whatever veggies I have on hand, simply by chopping them up into bite-sized pieces, adding them all together into a Ziploc bag, and then reaching for the Benissimo roasted garlic oil that is going to enhance and flavor these veggies, giving a generous pour before tossing them around. Let's talk about the variety that Benissimo offers. They have everything from organic avocado oil to balsamic garlic and even exotic blends like basil and sun-dried tomato. Today we're using the roasted garlic oil because it is super versatile and delicious. It's an oil that has a blend of canola and extra virgin olive oil infused with rosemary, garlic, and thyme. And it's perfect for just about anything, like the veggies that we've just roasted here, for chicken, or even for a nice pasta salad. Each oil has a unique flair, meaning there's something for every meal. What we love is that Benissimo herbs are sourced from local sellers in Georgia and are dried in-house, which means everything they produce is 100% natural with no artificial flavors or preservatives. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope this inspired you to try some of these incredible versatile oils in your own kitchen. You can check out the full review on steamykitchen.com.